Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use your UBI Jump Starter. First, always prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Ensure your vehicle operates on a 12-volt battery system. Before connecting, confirm the Jump Starter has at least a 50% charge. Remember to turn off all vehicle accessories, including lights and radio, to prevent electrical surges and ensure a smooth start. Now, let's connect the clamps correctly. Take the red clamp and firmly attach it to your vehicle's positive battery terminal, which is usually marked with a plus sign. Next, connect the black clamp to a clean, unpainted metal part of the engine block, away from the battery. It is crucial not to connect the black clamp directly to the negative battery terminal. Ensure both clamps are securely fastened for a safe connection. With the clamps securely in place, it is time to start your engine. First, turn on your UBI Jump Starter. Wait for the device's indicator light to confirm a proper and safe connection. Once confirmed, attempt to start your vehicle for a maximum of 5 seconds. If the engine does not immediately turn over, wait for about 30 seconds before making another attempt. This allows the Jump Starter to reset and cool down. Congratulations, your vehicle should now be running. The next step is to safely disconnect the Jump Starter. Always begin by removing the black clamp from the engine block first. Then, proceed to disconnect the red clamp from the positive battery terminal. After both clamps are removed, remember to turn off your UBI Jump Starter unit. Finally, store the device and its cables in a cool, dry place, ready for future use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.